Hello students, how are you? Hope you are all good, safe and sound by the grace of God. Today we are going to learn about uncountable nouns. Class 2, Subject English, topic Uncountable Nouns, Unit 1, page 11. Uncountable nouns, that the nouns are, we cannot count them. We cannot count the milk, we cannot count the rice, we cannot count the salt, because these are uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are the nouns that you cannot count in numbers directly. It can be a very small thing or a very big thing. Examples: milk, sugar, salt, rice, water, tea. Okay, these are important points. Page number 11. This is a piece of chalk. This is a piece of wood. This is a piece of soap. This is a piece of string. This is a glass of water. Okay, this is your class activity. You look these things, tick the countable things and cross the uncountable things. These are mixed things. You find out which are the uncountable and which are the countable things. Okay, a juice of glass. Juice is a uncountable noun. And watermelon is countable noun. And cupcakes, countable nouns. And the honey is uncountable noun. Potato is countable. Tomato is countable. Mango is countable. Glass of water is not countable. And sugar is not countable. Grass is not countable. Bananas are countable noun. Tea is not countable. Tea is uncountable thing. And the salt is also uncountable noun. This is your class activity. And this is your home activity. Make a list of uncountable nouns and make sentences. And the second question, do and learn the workbook page number 7. If you feel any difficulty, you can ask me. Okay, God bless you. Stay blessed. Stay home.